everybody to the English High School Theatre. Today we're showing the play The Ghost Line. Are you ready?
Yes.
Long, long time ago, there was a castle in Britain. King Goblin, Lance, and the knights of the square table lived happily there. But something terrible happened. The castle and the people disappeared, but not forever.
Yes, I love cycling at the weekend.
Look, who's that?
Hello, we're Smashing Party.
Hello, I'm Professor Simpson. I work at the museum.
Can we help?
No, thanks.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for an old castle.
An old castle? Where?
There was an old castle here hundreds of years ago.
And have you got anything from the castle?
I have. Oh, it's o'clock. I'm late.
Where are you going?
Back to the museum.
Well, let's go. No, I want to stay here as well.
But it's boring.
Look, I've got something. It's in.
What are you doing here? Go away.
Who are you?
I'm Tamika. This is my wood.
And
Stop! Stop, you can destroy this wood.
there are an old castle here.
Look, it's part of a zoo.
I can see everything. Can you, Pat?
No, boss, I can't.
Now get off of my wood.
Oh, it was a zoo.
Let's go and tell Professor Simpson at the museum.
Look at the water.
It's a swamp.
And there is a dog with it. Run!
Don't run.
Who are you?
My name is Lance. I want to be your friend.
But you're a ghost.
It's true. I lived here hundreds of years ago.
And you are a knight of the square table.
No, but I wanted to be a knight. I was tall and strong. I was good with the sword. Look.
Oh, you win, Lance.
But there was a problem. Look.
Let's ride to the castle.
I don't like riding, but okay.
Oh! And look here, Lance. He always rides off his horse.
I was very sad, but then
And my king,
my king was not very happy.
You can't be a knight of the square table because you can't ride a horse. I'm sorry.
I was very sad, but then
Was it a real dragon?
oh yes, the dragon was big and green, bright yellow eyes. I wasn't afraid, so I rode to the dragon. Get back, dragon! Whoa!
What happened then?
I couldn't ride well, so I followed the horse into the water.
Did you die?
What do you think? It's not easy to swim in armor.
But why are you here now?
I think Carmen is in them.
Where are you going, Kathy?
To see Professor Simpson at the museum. Come on.
Hello again.
Hello, Professor. We were in the wood.
Did you find something?
No.
But something found us.
That's me! Please tell me what happened.
This is incredible.
Wait a moment. Yes, Professor Simpson here. Yes? Thank you.
Oh, no. Mommy can use
new workers are starting to go to the new hotel.
They can do it, not now.
We can go to the wood and go to the police station.
Let's ride there. Get on the bus.
Okay.
Oh, they are very heavy for a ghost.
Stop. Just sit in the back. I think I can ride the bus.
Okay. Lance, stand left at the zebra crossing. Then go straight on at the cinema.
Okay, I've got 3 questions. 1. Where's the zebra crossing? 2. Where's the cinema? And 3. How do you stop this thing?
Down, Lance!
Jump
Down!
Oh!
He can't ride horses or bikes.
Is he okay?
He's a ghost, Mark. Quick to the wood. Stop, you can destroy this wood.
Yes, we can. We are going to destroy your cannon pack.
Okay, boss. Look, something is happening. It's Lance.
He can ride a bike.
It's a what? Run away!
It's a dragon! Get back, dragon!
Look, the bulldozer is going into a hole.
Oh, it's part of the old castle.
There are other ghosts. They're coming out of the castle.
King Orbit.
We saw it all, Lance. You saved the castle. Now you are a knight of the square table.
Well done, Lance. Come with us.
Wait, Lance, the professor is coming.
We're here. Where is everybody?
Tommy Castle hair workers went away, and Lance went away too.
But look, Professor, it's part of the old castle.
Great! This is going to be a famous monument, not a hotel. And the knights of the square table will be famous again.
Thank you, Mark and Kathy, and goodbye.
Goodbye, everybody.